Welcome to part 4 of the S13 journey. Oh, actually, nah, fuck this. I'm gonna do an out-car one. What's up, guys? Welcome to part 4 of the S13 journey. If you've watched the first 3, you know what's happening. Obviously loaded up on a Friday arvo. Tell us what we're doing today, Scotty. We're getting a tune. It's tune day, baby. Tune day.
Excited.
Very
excited.
Heading up to More. Can we say that?
Yeah.
Cut that bit. Heading up to More Power. Chuck her on the dyno. This tune, etc.
Have a look at this. Fresh wheels on. Whew. Absolutely loving it. What do you reckon of the white wheels? It's white like you.
Got nothing to say.
White and white. Very Caspery. Alright, we're at the PB residence, so we're going to go get him. He's probably having a little pull inside.
Welcome to today's V-Flop. Today we play the risky game of Will It Survive the Dyno? Featuring SR20. Who fucking knows? It's risky business.
Rag on the rim.
Rag on the rim, see that? Treat it better than your fucking mother.
Wouldn't be hard.
Well, she goes alright.
Why is that? Alright, you legends. We're back home. It's the next day. It was a bit too late last night to wake the neighbours up. We ended up with 304 kilowatts. Around 19 pound, 18, 19. It's actually, we were a bit worried about boost creep because it's such a small gate, such a small turbo, and it was only running a boost T, so for it to only creep to about 19 to 20 and then it was settling on about 18, we're absolutely stoked with that. awesome numbers. It's such good power and response for such a small turbo. Like, the development of these turbos now is just insane. So absolutely stoked with that. It was good to work with Pete again. He's Mr. Niche Tune himself. He, the one that helped us out with fixing up the map on the ECU when we're having the startup dramas. So he was very excited to work with us. He used to love doing silvias and that, so it was good to just be like old school times, get the SR out and get Pete there. Thanks to Simon as well for the dyno at More Power. He's an absolute legend. And obviously a big thanks to the boys, Azza, who actually built the motor for me. Obviously Phil, Dan, my partner Kira from Storm Parts runs, and it's been good fun building this car. Lockie, Sam, everyone else, Sleeker Spares, obviously they helped us out with pretty much every part we needed for the car. They're amazing, so if you need anything, go hit them up. And I'd love to take you for a daytime rip right now because I'm excited to drive it, but there's so many Karens around this area that it won't end too well. But I'll chuck some clips in after this of us ripping it after the tune last night. It sounds perfect, doesn't sound too casty. The mid-mount note is perfect. The gate's good, the dose is good. Like, it's just, I'm so happy. So yeah, hope you'll enjoy the little build. And what do we got coming up? We've got round 4 and 5 of the drifting SA, and then we've got a little adventure at the last half of the year. So it's pretty much just going to be driving videos from now on. We had good fun doing this, but it's not really our thing. So thanks everyone for tuning in, and see what we do next.